Hi. So in today's video, I got the question of how to install the HP drivers. If you have bought the new laptop or you have just installed a new Windows. So the question is how to install the drivers for your hardware devices. I will show you how to install the drivers now from the official website of HP. First of all, you are going to Google and then search HP drivers. Right like this and press enter, and then on the first link, this HP drivers, you can click on it, this, and then after logging into this, this page will appear. Okay, so you will need to check which device is yours. Like for example, you have all-in-one or desktop or laptop or printer. So right now we are talking about the laptop, so we will go to the laptop, click on it, and then here this page will appear. So it will ask you to write down your serial number. So if you don't have the serial number or you are lazy to write down all the serial numbers here, just press this button, let HP detect your product, click on it, and when you click on this, let the HP detect your device, then it will give you this pop-up message. Actually, after this it will start downloading one file. If it does not start downloading, then press this link here, blue color, then accept, start download. Now the file is downloading here. You can see this one here, click on it. When you will click on it, the software will ask you like will you allow to make changes to your laptop? Yes, press yes, and then install this software. Next, and then click this install now. Next, install. Now this support solutions framework will start downloading, and then it will get installed to your laptop like this. It is detecting now. It will install the HP support assistant. It will take few minutes, so you need to be patient because it is downloading from internet. It depends on the Wi-Fi speed actually. So if your laptop speed and the Wi-Fi speed good, then the work will be done very quickly. If the Wi-Fi is slow, this setup will take time. Because it is detecting all the devices also. So actually it takes time. Here, after coming back to the same page, we will press continue. Now it will ask you to allow the website to connect with the HP detection software. Now again this message will come, you need to press OK. Now the website is detecting your laptop, identifying. You can read this. So when this injection will fill, it will show your device. So my device is HP Omen 15. So in your case maybe different laptop, so it will appear here. You need to click on this, and then on this page you need to select which Windows you have, Windows 10 or Windows 11. Right now I have Windows 11, so I will go to the latest Windows. Of 10 because I have already installed the Windows 11. Then I will press this detect my drivers. So whatever the drivers are missing in the device, it will automatically detect first the uninstalled or the needed drivers for your laptop, then it will appear here. Right now my device has all drivers already installed. So if your laptop drivers are not installed, it will, all of them will appear here. Okay, so just check them all and then install, download and install my drivers, and then just wait, because HP support assistant software will do all the work then. Okay, then it will ask you to restart maybe the laptop. Just restart and then you will be ready to go. I mean, the laptop will be ready for the use. Thank you. I hope this video will help those who don't know how to install the drivers of your laptop. Thank you. Bye.